Day 2 of our Moon Festival weekend adventure started with us checking out of our hotel in Keelung and taking a leisurely bike trip along the north coast where our route would take us to Sanzhi. Morning.
Good morning. Breakfast coupon.
It's time for breakfast. We woke up, slept well. Our room didn't have a window, so it was super dark.
I woke up a couple times. Like at 1:30 I woke up. I seriously woke up like I had a full night's sleep.
Thank you. So also, Papa, you can sit in the cabin or outside.
Okay, thank you.
Plates.
Looks good. What'd you get?
Meat food.
Meat food.
Vegetarian. Looks like eggs. Grapefruit. Toast and jelly.
I got all that.
The cruise ship's gone. Are you excited?
For days. Been dreaming for days about this.
Have a seat and enjoy your coffee. Well, we made our way to Starbucks.
Is that half a mile from the hotel?
Was it even at half a mile?
4/10.
4/10 of a mile. Tell us about what we're doing.
Drinking nitro cold brew before we start pedaling. We have about 10 miles to our first destination.
For those of you who don't know about nitro cold brew, and mind you, we're not getting paid for this. We're not actually getting paid for anything, but certainly we're not getting paid for this.
No, we're
But
not.
this, if you haven't tried this, and if you can find a Starbucks that has it, it's served on tap like beer, and it's nitrous oxide infused beer. No, this is not beer.
Coffee.
Yeah, it's nice. Anyway, it's good. It's creamy, and it's
Without cream.
yeah, it's so
No
good.
dairy.
You don't need any.
So smooth.
It's just smooth and creamy and delicious and cold, and it.
It's the only black coffee I can drink. Usually I drink my coffee sweetened with cream and sugar. Not nitro cold brew.
I highly recommend it
And please drink it out of a glass. This is the best way to have it.
because once they're done pouring it out of the tap, it sort of cascades this flow of awesomeness, like when you pour a Guinness. So really, you could probably just drink this all day until about noon, and then just switch to Guinness, and people would think you were drinking the same thing all day long.
It does look like here. Look at the coffee.
Yep. See, that looks like a pint of Guinness to me.
It's coffee. Where'd the goat go? I don't know where the goat is. Zao! 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 Hi! Oh. It's starting to rain. I see a gazebo. What happened?
Well, we had to stop because of rain.
It really is pouring right now. We just pulled up here. You saw me recording, and I said it's starting to rain. I shut the camera off so I could get underneath this gazebo, and it is just pouring. We really just need to protect our equipment at this point. So we'll wait it out. Hopefully it doesn't last long.
It won't.
No? No.
I forbid it.
We saw lots of cyclists on the road though, didn't we?
Yeah, hopefully they got on the other side of it. One of the many cool things about living in Taiwan and about the reason we love cycling in Taiwan is because the government and the tourism bureau have done so many things to try to make it cyclist friendly. And one of the things, they publish maps of different routes around the island at different spots of the island, and those routes, the roads of those routes are marked with these.
We're gonna sit a spell in this deserted, extremely
Look at the guys holding up the volleyball net. Look at those
deserted
guys.
area.
They're holding up the volleyball net.
No, I didn't put my doodads on.
I like this. I got an insulated barrier putting me in the sand. Let's go. Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for the potty. Look like a giant, yeah, those look like a giant croissant, don't they? Look at that guy. Oh my gosh, he's got a cute face. He's got a cute face. I wonder if these are like those ones we're trying to find. Oh look, those have some kind of cream in the middle. Mmm.
Hi, where are we?
7-Eleven.
In Jishan?
Yeah, Jishan.
We usually ride here in one day, up and over Yamingshan, that mountain right there, and then we go home.
Then we go home.
But today we're on an adventure.
An adventure.
We rode here from Keelung this morning, and we are just going up the road about, I don't know, 10 more miles. We're gonna spend the night away from home again for our adventure.
Adventure.
Can't go home for an adventure.
No. This is one of my favorite coffee shops on the coast. It's called Young Door. I always want to say Young Blood for some reason, but it's Young Door Coffee. It's right here on the coast. We stopped here, I believe, on our first coastal bike ride 5 years ago when we got to Taiwan. And it's just a lovely place. They don't open until 11. So any time that we've come past here before, when we come up and over the mountain and pedal back on home, we're always here before 11. But today we've been having a leisurely ride up here from Keelung, and they're open. Coffee, ice cream, and iced black coffee. Yummy.
So good. So,
We rode about 5 miles.
yeah, no, from where?
From Young Door.
Oh yeah, we just had coffee, remember?
Yeah.
Well, 5 miles later after having coffee,
Hi, Kyle.
have a beer. Oh,
Bing Kuai.
Bing Kwai.
Bing Kuai.
Yes.
谢谢你.
The beer's not cold enough, and you know Taiwan beer needs to be cold, so we scored ourselves some Bing Kwai
Ice cubes.
ice cubes. So anyway, we're along the coast at this little place we've stopped at before. We knew they had beer here, and yeah, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the beer and talk to our friends.
The other thing that they have here that I wish you could smell is the stinky tofu. It's right down there. I can smell it.
Yeah. For those of you who don't know what stinky tofu smells like, imagine that you take the lid off of your septic tank and take a deep breath. That's very similar.
Another.
Oh, another.
Oh, shishay!
Thank you.
Welcome.
More ice.
Oh, it's a bigger one.
Oh,
More big.
seahorses.
Yes. That's a river horse.
The
River horse. Oh,
The typhoon brought them in.
yeah, the typhoon. You can catch these with those nets.
Okay. So this would have been a very relaxing stop, and it actually was quite relaxing. But oh my gosh, that horn has been blaring the entire time we were sitting here. And I don't think he sold the thing because of it. Yeah, that we've been listening to for the past hour. But this is what we've been missing while we've been sitting on the other side. So much coast today. Brentley's leaving without me.
The erector set Ferry of Love.
Where you going?
I want to take a picture. I'm gonna make video of that. A funny thing. What are all those things?
In there. Kitty cars.
Go.
God, that horn guy's here. That horn guy is following us.
We gotta go. We decided to stop at the Longhorn Bar and Grill because it's the originalini taste of Texas. Origini. Best kind.
So we rode another 5 miles, barely. And we've passed this Longhorn Bar and Grill many times. We've ridden along this coast several times. And we always pass by. And today we have no schedule. We're like 3 miles from our hotel. So we decided now is the best time to start. Our corn soup. It's actually quite good, isn't it?
Really good.